Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Pastel Friends is probably one of the most adorable and charming sticker sets I've ever come across, offering a delightful way to add a touch of whimsy and personality to your journaling, scrapbooking, or any creative project you can imagine, making them an absolute must-have for anyone who loves cute and colorful stationery that truly stands out from the crowd and brings a smile to your face with every application. Number 5. Victrola Journey Bluetooth Portable Suitcase Record Player. Enjoy your vinyl collection with this turntable's 3-speed belt-driven system. It offers upgraded premium sound quality and sits on isolating feet to prevent vibrations, making it perfect for any room. This record player is housed in a vintage suitcase with a handle, offering the ultimate flexibility to listen to music wherever you go. It's a great choice for any vinyl lover. Stream music from your phone via Bluetooth to the built-in speakers. You can also connect external speakers or use the line input for other devices. For private listening, simply plug in your headphones. Get started in minutes with this record player. Its retro design combined with modern technology makes it ideal for beginners and vintage enthusiasts alike. Easily control your listening experience with the input select knob, power volume knob, and an auto stop switch. It automatically stops spinning when the record is finished. Experience unparalleled sound quality and exquisite craftsmanship in a variety of styles and colors. Get ready to create lifelong music memories with this beautiful player. What we like. This record player offers a blend of retro style and modern convenience. It's perfect for those who love vinyl but want the flexibility to take their music anywhere. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that requires no extra equipment and offers a charming vintage aesthetic, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The app offers a wide variety of customization options for creating unique characters. Users can easily design and save multiple character profiles for different scenarios. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it simple to navigate through all the features. Number 4. PartyWoo Crepe Paper Streamers 6 Rolls. Introducing our set of 6 pastel crepe paper streamers. You'll receive a beautiful assortment of colors including yellow, blue, purple, peach, pink, and green to brighten any occasion. Crafted with upgraded material, these streamers are 29% thicker than standard options. This ensures a better texture and makes them more durable for all your decorating needs. Decorating is a breeze with these easy-to-use streamers. Simply hang them from the ceiling, twist them into spirals, or use them as a backdrop to instantly transform your space. These are perfect for a wide range of events, from birthdays and baby showers to weddings and themed parties. They also make a lovely addition to room decor or DIY art projects. We pride ourselves on the high quality of our crepe paper. While they are sturdy, we recommend handling them gently to ensure they remain perfect for your celebrations. Each roll provides 82 feet of streamer, giving you plenty of material to create stunning visual effects and fill your party environment with color. What we like. These streamers are designed to elevate any celebration with their vibrant pastel hues and superior quality. The thicker material ensures they are sturdier and easier to work with, creating a more impactful decoration. If you're planning a party, wedding, or any event and want decorations that are easy to use, versatile, and add a beautiful, cohesive color scheme, these are ideal. What people say. Very durable and the colors were as pictured. They were also easy to hang. High quality for streamers. These are just so pretty with a nice feel. Not too see-through. Easy to use, didn't tear unwantingly. The variety of colors in this set are beautiful. Great streamers. As pictured. Kind of thin but stretchy. Easy to work with. Number 3. Gitus Initial Letter Belt Bag. Make your style unique with our personalized initial patches. These fashionable letter decorations add a special touch to your accessory. Crafted from skin-friendly nylon, this bag is incredibly lightweight and water-resistant. Its durable zipper ensures smooth operation for long-lasting use. Keep your essentials neatly organized with 2 zipped pockets and 3 mesh compartments. It's perfect for holding your phone, wallet, keys, and more. Adjust the strap for a perfect fit. Wear it as a crossbody, belt bag, or chest bag, ideal for any activity like cycling, travel, or hiking. Looking for a fashionable gift? This trendy bag is a perfect choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for teen girls, daughters, or friends. This bag combines fashion with function, offering a stylish way to carry your daily necessities. It's designed for convenience and everyday use. What we like. This fanny pack offers a trendy and personalized way to carry your essentials. Its lightweight, water-resistant design and multiple compartments make it practical for everyday use or activities. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and customizable accessory, especially as a gift for teen girls or anyone who loves personalized fashion, this is a great pick. What people say. The strap can stretch out a good length. It can also hold a fair amount of things, which is really nice. It has lots of room and an outer compartment that zips as well. She has something in every pocket. As much as she takes it everywhere, it's held up nicely and still clean. Number 2. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste and SQeeZY Scrubber Sponge Bundle. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with this incredible bundle. It's designed to tackle tough messes all around your home. This all-purpose cleaner makes scrubbing a breeze. Its non-scratch formula is safe for a variety of surfaces. From kitchens and bathrooms to floors and walls, it handles it all. Even stubborn pots and grout are no match for its power. Paired with the SQeeZY Scrubber Sponge, cleaning becomes even more efficient. Its design ensures a thorough clean every time. Experience a new level of clean with this effective duo. Your home will shine like never before. What we like. This cleaning paste is a true miracle worker for tackling tough messes around the house. Its non-scratch formula makes it safe for a variety of surfaces, offering a powerful clean without damage. If you're seeking an effective, all-in-one cleaner for kitchens, bathrooms, and more, and want to simplify your cleaning routine with a product that truly delivers, this is the one to try. What people say. Applied a bit with a damp sponge to my kitchen sink, stovetop grime, and some bathroom grout, cut through grease and stains way easier than I expected. Smells fresh, rinses off clean, and my sink actually looks new again. A tiny scoop lasts forever too. This stuff has made my stovetop shine like it was new again. The pink stuff has removed water stain residue from my fridge water dispenser, black bean cooking residue that was being particularly stubborn on a stainless steel pot for some reason, and the absolute disaster of auto mechanic grease and soap residue left at the bottom of the shower that normally takes a magic eraser, 3 types of cleaners, and an hour of my time each week to remove. The smell is decent and not overpowering. Number 1. Lego Icons The Friends Apartments 10292. Step back into the world of Friends with this incredibly detailed building set. It captures the essence of the beloved TV show in brick form. Explore both Joey and Chandler's apartment and Monica and Rachel's apartment, complete with the iconic hallway. It's just like being there. Discover authentic furniture and decor, from Joey's reclining chairs to Phoebe's unique painting, Gladys. Every detail brings the show to life. Spot iconic moments like the cheesecake incident or Joey's Thanksgiving turkey mishap. This set lets you recreate your favorite scenes. With over 2,000 pieces and 7 minifigures, this large set is a fantastic display piece. It's perfect for any Friends fans collection. It includes all your favorite characters, like Rachel in her tartan skirt and Joey wearing all of Chandler's clothes. They're ready for new adventures. This is the ultimate gift for adults and teens who love Friends. It's a perfect birthday present or a special treat for any occasion. What we like. This Lego set is a dream come true for any fan of the iconic TV show. It meticulously recreates the beloved apartments with incredible detail and includes all your favorite characters. If you're a dedicated fan looking for the ultimate display piece, a challenging and rewarding building experience, or a unique gift that celebrates the show's legacy, this set is an absolute must-have. What people say. I'm always amazed at the level of detail in these sets and how specific details remind me of certain episodes. This set includes so many awesome references from all the seasons of the show. Fun to build and display. Bem mais facile de montar do que Paris. Ótimo entretenimento grupo, o sozinho. Bem detalhado e nostálgico para os amantes de série Friends. Precisa de bom espaço reservado a essa fantástica obra de arte. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.